All right, so what we're doing here is creating an index for the bibliography in John Goldingay's revised World Bible Commentary on the book of Daniel. It's a 70-page bibliography, and so typing each name along with the page number that it occurs on in the bibliography would be a really boring chore. So instead, I've written a regular expression to parse the pages that are in the PDF into an index. So first of all, I've compiled those pages, copied the pages into this directory right here. And you can see the pages are listed by the first letter of the author's names and the page number. We need that in order to parse them within our script. So up here, we've got the actual script itself. That's not what we want. Nano. Okay. So here we're just taking the file, saving it to a variable. The initial letter that I showed you, like the author's, the letter of the author's first name, is stored in this initial variable. The page number, which is also from the file name, stored in this variable. Here, I've created a regular expression that's going to parse all of the author's names that we have. There's some interesting exceptions. Some names are in brackets. Some names have hyphens between the last names. Some names have hyphens between the two first initials. Sometimes it's just a space. Sometimes there is no initials. There are no initials, so there's just a period there. And we've got this pretty well worked out, I think. And then basically, long story short, we're going to append the page number to the author's names on those lists and output them to an index file. And I haven't tested this in full yet, so this should be pretty fun for everyone here. The other thing that's in this folder is just a script that I wrote to actually run that on each of the files that I showed you, the raw files with the author initial and page number. And it's going to run our script for each one of those files. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do it. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. So those are the author's initials and page numbers, which are printing out onto the screen, just to give us something to look at, basically, some satisfaction. And 89, I believe. There we go. All 70 pages of that bibliography have been parsed. And let's check it out. Nano bib index. All right, looking pretty good. I like this. So we've got some good things. These kinds of foreign language characters have been preserved, as well as spaces in the last names. Here is a hyphen between the initials, which that's excellent. Here's a hyphenated last name, so that's good. Another good test would be Augustine here. Let's see if we've got him. Yeah, Augustine of Hippo. So yeah, I'm happy with this. Everything looks good and saved me a lot of time and effort. This was a fun way to do that. Thanks for watching.